my name is Ellie.
And I'm Mrs. Laura, and you're here with LearnPal.
Today we're going to do a fun activity with these Q-tips and also the Play-Doh and also this.
So here we have a picture of dandelions that we're gonna build using Play-Doh and some Q-tips, okay?
Yeah.
So make sure you have this in front of you too, okay?
Yeah. And also, like, you have to have 10 big Q-tips, and and your mom or dad, anyone who's with you, has to cut them all.
Exactly. Cut them in half, and then you're all ready to go. So you should have 20 Q-tips that are cut in half, okay? Or 10 Q-tips that are cut in half with 20 pieces, okay? So here's how we do this activity. So you're going to put Play-Doh inside this little circle right over here. One over here, and then one over here. So we're gonna make 2 balls of Play-Doh. So let's go ahead and open up that Play-Doh.
And also we have to get half and half. So we could put them inside there because there's 2.
Exactly.
Okay, it's kind of easier for me to do.
Okay.
I got half for me, and
Try to use your fingers to pull them out, okay? So let's use our muscles and our fingers to help us take it
there we
out.
go.
Nice
There's
job.
yours.
Thank you.
So what should we do with these Q-tips?
So I'm gonna show you what to do with those after, but for right now, let's just get the Play-Doh in our hands and let's move it back and forth like this. Okay, we're gonna wake up our fingers.
Yeah, because our fingers have to get strong before we start this video.
We're gonna warm them up. And our fingers, they do get stronger. The more we play with Play-Doh, the stronger they're gonna get.
You mean the more our fingers work, then they will get stronger.
True, but playing with Play-Doh also helps get your fingers stronger too, because you have to squish them, right?
Yeah.
You gotta really use those muscles. So right now, let's go ahead and take your Play-Doh and let's make them into a little ball, okay?
So how do we make it into a little ball?
So you're gonna take the Play-Doh in your hand and kind of go back and forth like this with your hands.
Could I do that?
You can do that too. You can even try to roll it around like this in your hand. But I also like to try to close my hand around it like this. So can you try this too, boys and girls? If you have yours, try it like this too. Nice job.
Oh, mine came in a ball.
Very good. Now I'm gonna move this over to the side so that everybody can see really nicely how we're going to make this beautiful dandelion.
Yeah.
So I have these right over here. Now take your ball and let's put it right inside that circle, okay? So leave it just right on top like that. And then we're gonna give it just a little squish. You're gonna press it down until it makes a whole shape right here. It's gonna fill it all in, okay?
Oh,
So
I need a
push
little more there.
Nice
Oh,
job,
I didn't
Ellie.
get it.
No, it's coming out really good. Keep going.
Okay, let me just try.
That's perfect.
Boys and girls, every single day, if you try something new and it's very hard for you, do not give up.
That's true.
Keep
That's a
on
good
trying.
message for us all to learn from.
Keep on trying.
Nice job. Good job, Ellie. See, she's got it, I've got it. Let's wait for our friends to finish up theirs. If you're doing your Play-Doh, try to fill in that whole circle. Okay, so we've got one over here, one over here, and then we're ready to do our next part of the activity, okay?
Let's wait for them, right?
Yep, so we're hoping that they're catching up, okay? And once you're all done putting these over here, we're going to get our little Q-tips here. Thank you.
Ah.
And now we're going to try and pick up 5 Q-tips in our hands by using our crocodile fingers. Okay, so you're gonna leave it on the table.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job picking those 5 up. But now let's put them down on the table like this, okay? Put them down and then watch what I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to use my crocodile fingers to pick them up one at a time like this, and then make them disappear in your hand. 1. Tricky, right? Then get the next one. Make it disappear. 2. 3. Good job. 4. You got it? And 5. Okay, So now, if you've got 5 of these Q-tips in your hand, you're ready to do the next part of this activity, okay? So I've got 5 hiding in here, and I hope you do too. Now we're gonna try to take them out one at a time, and then I'm gonna show you what we're going to do with it when you take it out. So watch this. So I'm gonna open up my hand first so you can see I have 5 in here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. And look what I'm going to do. I'm gonna show you first, and I want you to try. I'm gonna try to take out only one of these Q-tips and get it into your crocodile fingers. And then try to turn the Q-tip. You see how I'm turning it with my fingers? It gets tricky. So you can hold it to where the cotton is, and we're gonna put it and push, push, push into our little Play-Doh. 1. Okay.
Could I try now?
Yep, you can try now too. Wiggle your fingers.
I found one.
Good. Try not to use your helper hand, okay? Try to use only one hand, and then try to move it so you can catch the cotton ball on the Q-tip. But try with only one hand, yeah.
Okay.
And push it in. 2, like that. Good job. Keep going. Try to take more out of your fingers.
Nope.
Good job wiggling them. And then try to catch it where it's the cotton part. Yeah, like that. There
With
you
that
go.
one?
And then go ahead and put it in. We're gonna put it all over our flour.
Yeah, so it, wait, now I get it. Now I get it. So we made the round thingy, and then we're putting these cotton balls for the thingy to stick out. Like, you know how the sunflower is? Like, it has to stick out. And also, I was like that, and then I was like, oh, I don't.
There you go, you got it. Yep, and so we're actually making a dandelion. Have you ever held a dandelion in your hand before? They're the kind of flowers that when you blow on them, they fly away.
Yeah, I love those. I used to play with those when I was little first. Wait. I missed it. Wait.
You can put it wherever you want. It's your flower. I'll create my flower. You can make it yours, however you'd like.
Wait, could I do these over there? Kind of.
Well, just do it one at a time and you got it. You're doing a good job. You're not doing anything wrong.
There we go.
Okay, now I've got one more in my hand, so let me put it here. Okay, and now again, we're gonna put 5 more Q-tips in our hands. So we're gonna pick them up one at a time, and then we're gonna make them disappear. Thank you so much for helping me.
4, 5. Anything for my bestie friend.
Aw, you're so sweet. Okay, here we go. Let's use our crocodile fingers, and we're gonna pick them up.
I kind of need one more.
You need
There's
one
only
more?
4.
Oh, you know what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I accidentally put 6 in. I wasn't keeping count. So let me take one of those out. Here, I'll give you this fresh one. And I'll take this one. Okay, here we go. Let's use our crocodile fingers. You're welcome. And then we're gonna pick them up and then make them disappear.
Nom. It's like that our hands are eating that, but then they spit it out when we need it. It's like a helper hand. That it helps us. First it eats it, and it spits out.
Very good. So let's go ahead and put them back in our hand. Go 2,
I also got 2.
3. Good job. Nice job using your crocodile fingers. Okay, again, boys and girls, if you've got 5 Q-tips in your hand, take a little peek. Let's count them. Make sure you have only 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5.
Perfect. And boys and girls, if this is too hard for you to try 5, you can try it with maybe 3 or even 1 if it's too hard for you to try to hold more than 1. So it's okay to pick up with 1, hide it, and then try to take it out, okay? So do whatever you can do, okay? So we've got 5 in our hand, so we're gonna very carefully take them all out one by one using our crocodile fingers.
Oh, I found one. Now let me spin it.
That's okay. It happens. Just stick it back in your hand.
Yeah, and then I'm taking this out.
Try to use only one hand though, okay?
Yep.
We can let that one slide. Go ahead, put it in wherever you'd like.
I want to put it there.
Okay, we're gonna keep going. Nice job.
Spin.
Good, I got mine.
Ours is gonna look amazing.
I can't wait
Yours
to see it.
too.
That's really nice of you to say that to all of our friends that are playing with us. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in, Go ahead and keep going.
There. Wow, ours looks like amazing.
It really does, right?
Are you done?
I've got one more, but don't worry, I'll wait for you to finish.
I'm
Nice
all done
job.
too. You too.
Nice job. All right, boys and girls, if you're still finishing up your dandelion, go ahead and finish it. And if you're done, thanks for playing with us, and we can't wait to play with you guys again next time.
Bye.
Everyone.